Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tech reviews. Discover your next adventure with Kayak Explore. In this video, we're diving into Kayak Explore, a remarkable feature within the Kayak platform designed to help you uncover incredible destinations that fit your budget. Find links to the platform in the description below. Unlike typical flight search engines that require a specific destination in mind, Kayak Explore lets you input your departure city and presents you with an interactive world map displaying real-time flight prices to numerous locations. This makes it an invaluable tool for adaptable travelers seeking inspiration and new adventures. Kayak Explore is tailor-made for budget-minded travelers, spontaneous explorers, and anyone looking for affordable travel options without a rigid itinerary. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. Simply enter your departure airport, set your budget, choose your travel dates, or leave them open for maximum flexibility, and instantly view a map populated with a plethora of flight options. You can further refine your search by filtering results based on flight duration, number of stops, preferred airlines, and even specific activities like beach vacations, skiing trips, or city breaks. This versatility makes it an exceptionally powerful trip planning resource. One of Kayak Explore's standout features is its price-focused search functionality. This allows travelers to pinpoint the cheapest flights available without the tedious task of manually checking multiple destinations. It's perfect for snagging last-minute deals, taking advantage of off-season travel opportunities, and planning trips based on affordability rather than a predetermined destination. Moreover, Kayak Explore gathers data from numerous airlines and booking sites, guaranteeing a comprehensive selection of options. The platform seamlessly integrates with Kayak's other travel tools, such as hotel and car rental searches, enabling you to plan your entire trip within a single, convenient ecosystem. It's important to remember that Kayak Explore doesn't process bookings directly. Instead, it redirects you to the airline or a third-party booking site to complete your reservation. This means that prices can occasionally vary. Nevertheless, Kayak Explore remains a powerful tool for travelers who value affordability and flexibility above all else. Whether you're seeking a spontaneous getaway, searching for budget-friendly flights, or simply seeking inspiration for your next adventure, this platform simplifies the process of exploring all your travel possibilities. Click the links in the description to experience Kayak Explore for yourself.